Hey guys, what's up? It's Arianna here and I'm back with another YouTube video. Period. Just wanted to shoot a quick video so I can just upload something. I might be giving y'all an eyebrow tutorial. A lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows and I don't really know how to explain it to them because there's a lot of steps. I wouldn't say there's a lot of steps, but there's a process to it, and I just, just decided to make a video out of it. Let's just get straight onto this video. I like to have natural eyebrows, so these are the things that you're gonna need. Angled brush, some brow gel, and some primer. Like a primer that's like this consistency. There we go. I just put some of that brow stuff on the top. And what I did was I'm gonna put the primer in there. What that's gonna do is gonna make it more liquidy, and I'm gonna mix it. Oh my gosh, I forgot. You're also gonna need a spoolie. I got this as a sample from the mall, so that's how I got this. I put the primer in there. I already put a lot in here, so I only put one drop, but you wanna put a good amount in here I can't talk. Another tip is you might want to put a little bit of primer on the brush to make the brush super thin. You want it super thin, like extremely thin.
A few moments later.
There we go. Now that's super thin. I don't know if y'all can see that. Ooh, that is bright. Is really thin, and you want your brush like this because when you're like shaping it, you're less likely to mess up. let's just start. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like take some and then go over here and spread it out. Yep. And now we're just gonna start outlining. Ooh, bro. Yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see that right there? That's a lot. Okay.
2 hours later.
Now we're gonna do the bottom part. It really doesn't take me long to do my eyebrows. Okay, so it looks really dark on camera, but like in the mirror that I'm looking in right now, it doesn't look that dark. But when I'm looking in like the camera compared to like my other eyebrow, it looks so dark. Like if you want that fade effect right there, just like blend out the front. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow off camera and see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out better than this one, because I mean, like, it doesn't look bad, I guess. But we're just gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. So I'm done with the other eyebrow, and as you can see, it clearly came out worse than this one. Any other day they'd be looking good, but today is not it. I'm gonna give you a little secret. When I first started doing my eyebrows, like first, and I didn't have all the materials that I needed, like not at all. I didn't have a spoolie or anything like that, but you know what did have one of these? Mascara. Mascara has one of these, and I was like, okay, that's basically like the same thing, but this is in black, and I used this and I put mascara on my eyebrows. I mean, like, your hair, I mean, like, it made sense because your eyelashes are hair and your eyebrow is hair. Like, does it look better than this? Please let me know in the comment section below, because this video was over. This was literally a waste of y'all's time. Period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment, like, blah, 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 blah. And I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Bye. I really think I'm just making this video just to upload so people don't get on my butt about like, oh my gosh, the last time you uploaded was like 2 years ago. So, where's the next
Fruit salad, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.